because of the flipping ability that this has is amazing. Everybody knows this. It is absolutely crazy. If you have a plastic spur, it will strip it out. And with the new version, it actually comes with a metal spur, so you don't have to change it out like this one. So that's pretty decent. Also, what the newer version comes with is not these tires, but more street tires, but still grippy, and they're belted, which means they're more expensive, is what they really mean. That's called the EXT. Now, you're going with the EXT, you're going with the EXT, you're going with the EXT. Ma, you want to change anything or whatever?
No, man, I'm sticking, I don't know,
With
I
the
know
Chronos?
I'm wrong, I don't mind being.
It's not really fair that you
I
get to
don't
go off
mind
of
being
there,
wrong
whatever.
once
That's why I
in a while.
that's why I
It's
chose
alright.
you first.
Well,
I love
alright.
you very much,
Alright.
thank you. All right, I love you too. Everybody
So-
believes it's the EXT, okay? Now back to the lecture at hand.
I'm sorry.
They're beautiful. I think every one of these cars are beautiful. Can you turn it sideways so it's facing outwards?
No, I'm sorry.
It's
no.
okay.
I'm not that girl anymore.
All right, so who's anxious to see what is in the box?
Well, come on.
Me?
Yep. So let's go around the room. Ma, how anxious are you on a scale of 1 to 10 to see what's in the box?
Let's go. I'm like 8.5. Let's go.
8.5. That's not very much for you. You're usually a go-getter. All right, there, Kat. What do you got? 1 through 10. What do you want to see what's in the box?
9.
9. Oh, she's getting there. What about you, Robbie?
5.
I gotta go with Catherine. I'm gonna go with 9.
A 9. What you got, Andrew?
Fuck, man.
I go with the 9.
Nah, sorry, you guys. I didn't mean to. It comes out naturally.
I
You gotta
know.
be-
it's a
As
little
everybody
gross.
knows, I would like to be professional on my channel.
I
Not
know. Good thing I'm
not,
down here. Oh my god.
Like how I really am. How I really am.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe it's okay on YouTube. Maybe they're
No,
out
it is,
of-
and I've seen other adult YouTube channels that swear.
Wait,
and,
yeah, I know.
and you know what I mean? And sometimes they're worse. Let's get back to the lecture at hand. And that is,
Okay,
we're gonna open this
lecture
up, but we need
at
my
hand.
handy dandy scissors.
Oh, wait a minute. I think I got them. The blue
Handy
handle
dandy
ones.
notebook.
No,
No, the white and green
Oh,
ones.
yay for you, yeah.
Industrial
They
scissors.
did have them
They s-
upstairs for a while, didn't they?
They say carbo titanium, so if anybody's wondering, there isn't a link down below.
Definitely stab somebody.
So, we got the specs are in, and we're gonna see.
And
Now that I think about it, it's kind of like opening up a Christmas present, but
China
earlier.
is, only without no wrapping paper.
Looks like it is the
Kaiju.
EXT.
most right of all. She was copper colored.
Yeah,
And
it's
she was right.
beautiful.
It's copper colored red. I call it red
Beautiful.
really, but it's candy apple red, copper, whatever. I think copper is more of a yellowish color, but hey, whatever. That's me.
Alrighty.
And again, this is the upgraded version of this Kaiju. There. And then we got, let's see, it looks like it's been opened already, because there ain't no tape. That's a little weird now.
That is a bit weird.
It doesn't even really look like the original Kaiju, but it has the same power system, which is insane. The power system is insane. Now, like I was trying to explain before, the reason why they went for the 51mm is because the power on that is so strong that on 6S it's hard to handle it and you end up with a lot of breakages. By going with a longer length chassis, it takes more to flip it, it takes more to operate it, which means a stronger power system. They basically adjusted the body to fit the system a little bit better, and that's why they built this, I believe, as a performance truck. That's why it can do wheelies all day long on demand, up and down the street. It's just one of them cars that you buy that, you know, you can do whatever you want with. Basically a Traxxas. I've heard of the breakages, like I don't understand how these break back here. One guy had one already broken out the box. Now, the only thing I could think of is that the guy mentioned that they probably sat in a warehouse where the nuts were rusty or something. That it sat in a warehouse in the sea air on a boat. Probably got to this and made it like a weaker metal. So that seems to be an issue. So there's that. Now we got the remote, which is your standard Redcat remote, which I just added to my Pirates 3. I had one laying around, but it didn't have a bottom, so I just threw some tape on it and used it in the receiver. Redcat sent it to me as a free gift. Not a gift, a replacement of the remote that I had because it didn't have a bottom when it came. So yeah, let's take a look at her. Let's get this crap out of here. The manual.
Careful.
I'm good. Got the manual, we got the thing, we got the stickers, which I keep in this box right here. So I got stickers. I put all my manuals over there. So yeah, there's that. And then get some Allen wrenches, which aren't bad. I mean, if you're in a jam. And before I open it, I know I'm excited to open. Let's get this out the way somewhere. And we got the Shogun here. We can maybe put this over here. This car is a badass, I'm going to tell you that.
Still reminds me of
Part
a
of the
Bumblebee.
V2 line of the Shogun, that's the original, it's a V2. And this car has been wonderful, one of my faves. Let's take a good look at it. And if we take a look at these tires, they're the belted Redcat tires compared to the Kaiju tires that are on the original truck. They both say Redcat inside, which I think is a really cool feature that Redcat does with a lot of their tires, if not most of them as far as I know. So this is the V2. Should have the same exact system as this one. I've paid $200 for Kaiju tires before, and I've also paid $70 what they're worth. They go for 35 something. But so, they were out of them for a long time, and there was, look at that, pretty plush shocks. Both of them. These are both brand new, by the way. This one has never been run, and neither has this one. So there's that. I like the red a little bit better. The white I felt would get dirty. So let's go with that. And I guess this is an air duct that's supposed to keep things